So, how useful is digital communications on microwave bands? Higher band enthusiast Kevin Johnson, VK4UH, demonstrates the use of the extreme weak signal communications mode Q65, designed for Earth-Moon-Earth communications and fast-fading propagation modes.
Right, just working VK4 FLR on Q65, 3.4 gigs from Brindaban, Bunya Mountains.
You only get him the once, did you?
No, I got 2 decodes off him. And it was at minus 18, so not bad. It was 3 watts. We're in Emu Park, Zilzi. We've just worked down to Trevor, VK4AFL back in Brisbane on 3398 150 with a 1 meter dish at either end off an aircraft. And we think this is going to take the state digital record. Best signals that we saw at minus 12, and it was loud enough to hear in